Hey guys, it's Lisette here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way the channel can grow. And also give this video a big old thumbs up because it helps me out. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you 18 things or ideas for you to do with your best friend over the summer. So that way you guys make sure that you guys are not bored. So here we go. Also, these can be used for like dating ideas as well. Roller skating. I love roller skating. I actually own my own pair of skates, but I haven't been skating in like 2 years though. Super sad, but roller skating, photo shoot, take a dance class together, take a kickboxing class together, picnic, spa night, go-kart racing, carnival, bowling, bonfire at home where you make like s'mores and stuff. Sounds fun. Drive-in movie theater, lazy river, arcade, hang out around downtown, enjoy your city, go to a restaurant, shopping, concert, or watch a Netflix series together, and bake. So those are all of the ideas that I have. This is a super short video, but I'm trying to see if you guys will have better retention time for this video. So yeah, if you watch this video all the way through, this super short video, give this video a big old thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and let me know that you watched it all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!